Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to check your Outlook password. First, it's important to understand that Microsoft does not allow you to view your current Outlook password anywhere for security reasons, but today I'll show you a workaround for that. First, open your Google Chrome and open a new tab. Go to your ID on the top right and click it. Go to Password and Autofill, and go to Google Password Manager. Sometimes the passwords are saved here automatically, and as you can see here is the Outlook, and it's saved automatically in my device. Click it, and you can view your password by clicking it here, or copy it if you need. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos